Ever wondered what really happens to cars that never get sold, even after years? Today on Autoverse, we're pulling back the curtain on the secret life of unsold cars. Picture this, a brand new car sitting quietly in a dealership lot, months go by, then years. Dust settles, batteries die, tires slowly crack. The car is new on paper, but time doesn't care. First, most unsold cars don't actually stay on the main showroom floor. After a few months, dealers move them to storage yards or backlots. They're still counted as new, but their value starts dropping fast. Then comes the discounts, big discounts. Dealers may slash prices, offer zero interest financing, or bundle free upgrades just to get rid of them. Sometimes the deal looks too good to be true, and often it is. If that still doesn't work, manufacturers step in. Many unsold cars are sent to dealer-only auctions. These cars are sold quietly to other dealerships, exporters, or bulk buyers, often at a loss. Some cars are shipped overseas. Markets in Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia receive thousands of unsold or overstock vehicles every year. A car that failed in one country might be a bestseller in another. Here's the shocking part. Some cars never get driven at all. After sitting for too long, fixing rubber parts, fluids, electronics, and paint costs more than the car is worth. In rare cases, perfectly new cars are scrapped or dismantled for parts. Luxury and electric cars suffer the most. New tech becomes old fast. A 2-year-old unsold EV with outdated battery tech can be almost impossible to sell at full price. So next time you see a brand new car with a massive discount, remember, it might already be years old. Cars age even when they don't move. If this surprised you, like the video, subscribe to Autoverse, and comment, would you buy an unsold car?